You upgraded your RAM, and your game still runs like a PowerPoint presentation? Yeah, that's because you fixed the wrong thing. Most gamers think RAM equals more FPS, but your GPU is like, bro, I'm still struggling. RAM is your system's memory. It helps your PC run apps and background tasks smoothly. Think of it like your desk. Now, VRAM is your GPU's memory. This is where all the game graphics live. Textures, shadows, details, everything you actually see in the game. So yeah, RAM is your desk, but VRAM is your GPU's backpack. And right now, your backpack is full. So when VRAM is low, your game starts stuttering, textures load slowly, and everything feels laggy. Sometimes it even looks like your game is running on 2G internet. So adding more RAM won't fix this. That's like buying a bigger desk while your backpack is still tiny. If your game is lagging because of graphics, you either need more VRAM or you need to lower your graphics settings. Now you know the difference, and you just saved yourself from a useless upgrade.